Pitipuas Guisados. My grandmother used to prepare these ones. Another name, if you want to buy in the store, is the Chicharos. But in Puerto Rico, we call them Pitipuas. And this is going to be 100% natural ingredients. I put them in water overnight. I'm going to take this water out, wash them again, and drain the water out, okay? So I have my caldero. Enough water. What I'm going to do, have this at high heat, maybe medium high. I have a couple of pork feet cut in half. I'm going to add them too. And I just want to leave it alone until these pitipuas become very, very soft. That I can squash them and smash them. Okay? Oh, look at this baby. So let me see how soft they are. They're ready. Let's go to the next step. So get a pot. I'm going to use a wider one because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Still deep enough for what I'm going to do here. Have this medium high for now. Preheating. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. People cook the Pitipuas Guisado or this piece too differently. You know, different people cook it differently. But I like to go to the basics, old school. And what I have here is I'm going to prepare my sofrito. I want to do it from scratch. Fresh. I don't want it frozen. I don't want to take from the natural flavor, which the freezing process unfortunately does. Nothing wrong with freezing your sofrito, doing your thing, like the Puerto Rican sofrito, like we call it. Although sofrito is truly a cooking method. Nothing wrong, especially if you have a restaurant or if you're cooking Puerto Rican food every day that you don't want to go through the process, or if some ingredients are hard to find, you know, those kind of things. But I'm going to prepare my own. I'm just going to use about half an onion, some red bell pepper. You can use green too, but I'm going with the red. Mix it up. I have some culantro and cilantro, so I'm going to do both. And I'm going to start making my sofrito. Going to get this for about a minute or so. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a few teeth of garlic, which I chop in pieces. Oh, it smells delicious. Then what I want is to add, I don't like to use canned tomato sauce, so I'm going to use a grated tomato. Look at this beauty. Mix, mix, mix. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some pumpkins, a few potatoes. I'm doing it now because I want to mix them up. And then you start adding your pitipuas. I call them pitipuas like my grandmother. So we're going to start adding not just the pitipuas, but actually with some of the broth. Look at this, baby. Add it with the broth. Mix, mix. We're going to put the pig foot too. Why not, right? Let me lower the heat. Let me start adding this with the water. And if you need more water, that's fine. But I'm going to. But look at the color, don't worry. Look who's coming. Wish I could add it earlier, but I didn't. I choose to add it now. Because I'm going to mix these babies. My adobo and my sazon. And then I'm going to sprinkle it around. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some mixing. Oh, look at this baby. I like the color already. More liquid. And you're going to cook this. You're going to put enough water. If you have to put from extra water, that's fine because you don't want it to dry. And what you're going to do is you're going to let this cook until the potatoes and the pumpkin are soft, okay? Starting to simmer. Let me put a medium heat. Let me give it a taste. Tastes delicious. You know what? I'm going to add a pinch of salt. A little bit. Not much. And then I'm going to cover the baby. And I'm going to let it cook until those pumpkins and potatoes soften. About 20 minutes later, yeah, potatoes are soft. See? Look at this Pitipuas with the sauce. Oh my goodness. Not too soupy, not too thick. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful?